Oh, wow, I've got to get this transcript right because my child's future depends on it. Does this sound familiar? You've got the weight of the world on your shoulders because you want to make sure you get it right so you don't mess up your child's future. Well, you're in the right place because my transcript workshop will lead you through 4 easy steps to organize and create your student's transcript and comprehensive high school packet so you have confidence that they have everything they need to send to colleges. All of the templates that you'll need and the GPA calculator are included in the workshop. And even if your student isn't going to a 4-year university, having a one-page high school transcript is needed for many reasons, including future employment, certification programs, etc. If you haven't watched my free Level 1 workshop on creating your student's high school academic plan, you may actually gain insights there even if your student is already in 10th, 11th, or 12th grades. In that video, I step you through the process of setting up a framework for your high schoolers' academics throughout their high school years, however many they have left. And I even use this process to map out my girls' college plans. That workshop ends with record keeping and feeds nicely into this level 2 transcript workshop. I've linked that video above. But even if you haven't watched through that level 1 workshop, it's not a problem because I've created a review lesson on record keeping as part of the transcript workshop where I'll walk you through what records you'll need to move into the transcript process. From there, we'll walk through the 4 steps to creating your student's transcript, calculating their GPAs, and creating validation documentation as part of their comprehensive academic summary packet using the master templates I provide. You will walk away empowered with greater confidence that you've done it right. Hey, I'm Kathleen Rumford, a former software engineer by education, turned into homeschooling mom of 15 years. I homeschooled my 2 daughters through high school and dual enrollment, and both have now finished college, one with her master's and both with their own businesses. I created my 2 homeschool high school workshops as a way to give back to the homeschooling community and help others who are on the high school journey now. I know how daunting it can be, especially when you're starting out and when you're approaching the finish line. To make sure you don't miss other videos on homeschooling high school, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Even commenting tells YouTube that this content was valuable and it will be pushed out to more homeschoolers who could use the help. So let me share with you the 4 steps for organizing and creating your student's transcript, their GPAs, and their comprehensive student packet. Step 1 is called the transcript. Using the transcript template I provide or another of your own choosing, I'll walk you through how to create your child's unique transcript based on their high school level coursework, college level coursework, grades, and credits earned. You'll basically plug and play with the template I provide, which will save you so much time. The formatting alone took me hours to get everything on one page. I'll also walk you through the summary section at the bottom of the transcript template, where I highly recommend you include additional information to support your transcript and your students' achievements. Step 2 is called GPA calculations. Using the robust GPA calculator that I include in this workshop, or another calculator of your choosing, I'll walk you through how to calculate your students' GPAs, both weighted and unweighted, by grade and cumulative, to add to your student's transcript. Unlike other online calculators, my calculator allows you to save everything that you input, so you can always make updates later and add the next year's grades and credits for GPA calculation when you're ready. You won't lose anything and you won't have to start over. Step 3 is called validation. College admissions counselors need a way to validate your student's homeschool transcript, validate the academic readiness of your student, and determine their academic caliber. I'll walk you through ways to do that and also provide ideas for your student to shine in what they send to colleges. Step 4 is called pulling it all together, where we focus on pulling everything that you've been working on during this transcript workshop into one cohesive, comprehensive packet, which I provide the template for. This includes your student's transcript with GPAs, program of studies, and validation documentation. I call this packet the comprehensive student packet. Once you complete this step, you'll continue making updates to the transcript and packet through high school until your student graduates. This packet will encapsulate the incredible high school career your student has had and is a testament to your own dedication, perseverance, and servant's heart. Truly a labor of love. You'll be able to access all of the workshop videos, the GPA calculator, the customizable templates, the workshop workbook, and the bonus videos using the link I included in this video's description. I've also included a limited time promo code. I hope that this workshop blesses you and gives you the clarity and confidence you need in this final stage of your high schooler's homeschool journey. You are getting close to the finish line. Keep up the great work, and I'll see you on the inside.